Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Today I will teach you how to delete your Uber account from Chrome browser, from laptop, or you can do it from your mobile also, Android for or iOS, iPhone. Okay, so let's start with video. Let's go with the on my Chrome browser. Okay, before you start, I request you if you like this video, kindly press the like button and comments below. So guys, this is Uber. uh, I'm going to open this Uber. Okay, this is my account already. I logged in. Okay, so on phone or a Chrome browser, there is a no proper specific option that you can delete the account. So you have to go to the there is a you have to go in help first. Okay, I will show you. Okay, so I have to go in help, and here first you need to click on help. I show you again. Okay, actually this is I think the net problem. Okay, here is a you can see here help option. You have to click on help. Okay, then you have to search here delete. So there is a ton of information show below. Okay, then you have to click on delete my Uber account. Okay, so this is a step that where you can delete account from your app. Okay, but if you want to delete from your browser, then you have to click on delete my Uber account. Click here, put here your email id, register email id, Uber register id. Click on next, then type here your password and click next. Actually I enter the wrong password. You have to enter the your correct password and click the next, and after click next you have to give the reason why you want to delete your Uber account. Give the reason and click on done. Then after 30 after the then your account will be deactivated on the spot, and before after 30 days, sorry, up to 30 days it will be deleted completely from Uber. Okay, so that is the process. So guys, this all about how to delete Uber account. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and comment below.